Welcome to How It's Built. In today's episode, we're going to take you through the incredible process behind one of the most respected car brands in the world, BMW. From cutting-edge design to high-performance engineering, we'll show you how each BMW car is meticulously crafted to deliver the ultimate driving experience. Stick around as we go behind the scenes and see how these luxury vehicles come to life. The design phase. Every great BMW starts with an idea. The design process is where creativity and engineering meet. BMW's design team begins with sketches and digital simulations, refining every detail of the car's exterior and interior. Every line, every curve is carefully planned for optimal performance and aesthetic appeal. The goal is clear: to create a car that's not just a mode of transportation, but a statement of style, performance, and luxury. The body shop. Once the design is finalized, it's time for the body shop to take over. Here, high-tech robots work alongside expert craftsmen to assemble the vehicle's frame. Using advanced welding techniques and laser precision, the body panels are fused together to create a flawless structure. The result? A lightweight yet incredibly strong frame, built to handle the performance and safety standards BMW is known for. The paint shop. Next, the body heads to the paint shop. BMW's paint process is a multi-step journey to achieve that perfect, durable finish. The car is first coated with a primer for smoothness, followed by layers of vibrant paint in your choice of stunning colors. Finally, a protective clear coat is applied, ensuring the car shines brightly for years to come, while also providing protection from wear and the elements. Engine assembly. Let's move on to what powers a BMW, the engine. BMW engines are renowned for their precision and performance. Highly skilled technicians carefully assemble each engine by hand, ensuring that every component, from the pistons to the turbochargers, fits together perfectly. The result is a finely tuned engine that delivers incredible power and efficiency, whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the limits on the track. Interior crafting. But it's not just the performance that sets a BMW apart, it's the interior. Every BMW is built with luxury in mind. The seats, dashboard, and controls are crafted using the finest materials, from leather to brushed metal finishes. The attention to detail is second to none. Whether it's the stitching on the seats or the feel of the steering wheel, every aspect is designed for comfort, convenience, and style. Quality control. After the car comes together, it's time for a rigorous round of quality control. Every component is carefully inspected for fit and finish. The car is checked for structural integrity, from the doors to the windshield. BMW's commitment to quality ensures that only the best vehicles leave the factory, with no room for compromise. Road testing. No BMW leaves the factory without being road tested. The car undergoes a series of real-world tests to ensure it performs at its best. From acceleration to braking, handling to safety, every BMW is tested to the limit. This is where performance is put to the ultimate test, to ensure the car not only meets but exceeds BMW's exacting standards. Final assembly and ready for delivery. Now that the car has passed all tests, it's ready for the final assembly. All parts are carefully installed, the finishing touches are applied, and the car is cleaned and inspected one last time. And then, it's ready to leave the factory, ready to hit the road, and deliver the driving experience of a lifetime. And that's how a BMW car is built. From the first design sketch to the final road test, every step is a testament to BMW's dedication to precision, luxury, and performance. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the production process. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how things are built. Until next time, keep driving forward.